a freaking wannabe Sunday, like, hey, I'm trying to do a freaking bike check.
Hey, I'm Mike Schmidt. This is my bike check. So, the moon's out right now. Like Shadow here. Got Shadow Corvus rims, the Raptor hub and cassette in the rear. SC Racing pegs because we're still living in 2004. We got shitty Rant forks that were $60 on 4. I live off soup in Minecraft. Ow! Fuck out of here. Okay. I've got Shadow Conspiracy bars, bar ends and grips.
Shadow Voltus bars.
Tie-dye. And then we got Fit TA front tire and Odyssey Chase Hawk rear tire. These things are ugly and big and gross and slip. What else we got? We got shitty ass bottom bracket from Sunday. Thanks Sunday. Shout out to Sunday for being shit. We got this strong ass half-link chain from Shadow. Shout out to Shadow. Thanks Shadow. We got red line chain tensioners because that used to be cool. So shout out to the chain tensioners. And then we got Shadow Conspiracy Shem. A Shadow Conspiracy.
A Shem?
Shem. It's like I was trying to say, yeah. So headset Shadow. The stem is Shadow. There's a top load. It gives it so much top load. And yeah, and then we got a sticker. We put a sticker here and a sticker here because it's actually a Fit Dugan frame. But you know we want to be Shadow, but they don't make frames. They make so yeah we're Fit. Shout out to BMX. We BMX. I'm 12 years old.